be exposed to strobe lights, fog, loud noises, and graphic scenes. No, though. Good morning! We are at Chapel Hill Farms near Barrie, Ontario, where we're going to have like a fun fall day at a farm. Mostly we're here so Hilary can pet animals. Yeah! For $11, we get a pumpkin, the tent of terror, the boo barn, a corn maze, farm animals, a wagon ride, a bouncy castle, and a trike track. What are you most excited for, Hila?
Animals.
Hilary's thinking about the tent of terror.
No.
You're not doing it?
Strobe lights. No.
What does it say? It says you will be exposed to strobe lights, fog, loud noises, and graphic scenes. No, though.
That's what young or sensitive children.
Me. You are
Let me see
sensitive.
what the boo barn is, though.
There's a boo barn. No hitting or touching the actors.
We'll see about that. I bet I can.
Oh my gosh. It's just like Halloween Horror Nights. People in the tents.
Probably.
I heard noise.
Part of the deal.
Okay, okay. We're strobing. Is that a person? That's a person.
We're gonna find out.
Even when you know it's coming, it's so bad.
Don't worry. The emergency I get here.
Narrow bridge.
Yeah, Hilary would hate this.
She would hate this.
Oh yeah. There we go. Hey.
Oh my god, I hate this. Oh, there's gonna be one more like big one.
There's someone coming.
I'm so glad Hilary didn't do this. You would hate that.
I'm so glad I didn't do it.
There's people that jump out at you and it's terrifying.
I hate that.
Also,
I'm not scared and you're scared.
I love your, yeah, but I still did it. That's the difference. Because I'm older. Anyway, I love your reflective sunglasses. You literally look like Khloe Kardashian. I told Hilary to dress for a farm and she's like, okay, I'll wear flats.
I'm in jeans and sneakers.
Tight fitting though. This is dress for a farm. Anyway, whoa though. Did you like it, honey?
Yeah,
Did you film it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to watch it.
Watch a repeat.
I was standing here while Jill was in there and you can hear them like screaming at people. No.
This is the boo barn. It's more your speed. Cute. Aww. So you guys can see the sign for the trike track rules. No adults. Trikes are for children. Look how small they are, and you have adults going on those?
I'm not even worried on.
Grow up. It's time for corn maze. How do you feel about navigating?
I'm glad you're here. I just get lost.
It's true. I have a natural sense of direction.
Okay.
And we're with a man, and everyone knows they're better at that type of thing.
Yeah, I thought you get in the maze, the corn maze, the cornhole.
But I have a pretty good sense of direction, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. Maybe I was too optimistic.
That's the rest of the family.
This may be less of a maze and more of a guided path. Are you having fun, Hilly? Yeah. We did it, Heel.
When can I see the animal?
We found where Hilary will be for the next 3 or 4 hours. What'd you find, Hill? The colorful ones are the boys.
I know. And they flare up when they're aggressive or they're mating.
Whoa.
Look how cute that little one is.
Oh, it's a little baby. How cute. And those geese. Hi, Betty.
Oh my god, look at, come over.
Bossy. Oh, you got a cone?
I got a cone.
Yeah, you'll do it here. Look at
Yummy.
They look like Louie.
that. A little bit.
Come here, Mama.
They're gonna sell you $50 worth of those seed cones.
I would if I could.
Look, the little ones over there too.
Oh, Hilary, there's baby ones. So long. I like this one, he's mugging.
I know he's everything.
Someone's getting bold. Whoa, though. Hilary found the lambs. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute.
Look how little you are. Oh, this guy's thirsty for it. Hey.
Oh. Smile. He's over at Hill. Or she. Little Red.
I saved the best for last. I saved the cow for last.
Look at the rabbit enclosure, you guys. There's Bunnyville General Store, Hare's Beauty Salon, Pete's Pub, Fluffy's Place.
Bunnykin School.
Yeah, Bunnykin School. And church. They're so cute. Hi, little fella. Aww. About to exit through the gift barn.
Literally, who needs Prozac if I just live on a farm?
Guys, let us know if you live on a farm, and if so, if it is wonderful, as Hilary says.
Literally us. Boring. Literally so boring though. Oh, this is a good shot.
That's pretty.
Yeah, this is a good little shot.
Fall is beautiful. I just feel like Instagram makes it feel overrated. You know what I mean? There's
you
like
go.
everyone, their mother's at a pumpkin patch. Like we just were.